Welcome back to the channel. Whether you are a seasoned cyclist or just getting started, having the right multi-tool can make all the difference on your rides. Today, we're covering the top 7 bike multi-tools that will enhance your riding experience. From quick fixes to essential repairs, these tools are designed to ensure you are always prepared for any situation on the road or trail. Let's dive into our top picks. First up is the Vibrelli Bike Multitool V19. This compact and versatile tool is a favorite among cyclists for its broad range of functions. Featuring 19 different tools, it covers everything from tire levers to multiple sizes of X wrenches, a Phillips and flathead screwdriver, and even a bottle opener. The tool is constructed from high-quality stainless steel, which ensures durability and resistance to rust, making it perfect for any weather conditions. The Vibrelli V19 also includes a built-in chain breaker, which is a crucial feature for emergency repairs on the go. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, allowing for precise control and ease of use. The tool's compact size means it fits easily in a jersey pocket or a small saddlebag, making it a practical choice for long rides or races. Additionally, the Vibrelli V19 comes with a lifetime warranty, reflecting the manufacturer's confidence in the product's quality and reliability. For cyclists looking for a comprehensive and reliable multi-tool, the Vibrelli Bike Multitool V19 is an excellent choice that combines functionality with durability. Number 2 on our list is the Crankbrothers Multitool 19. Known for its sleek and compact design, this multi-tool offers a high level of functionality in a minimalist package. It includes 19 essential tools such as various hex wrenches, a torque striper, and a chain breaker. The Crankbrothers tool is made from high-strength stainless steel, ensuring long-lasting performance even under tough conditions. One of the standard features of the Crankbrothers Multitool 19 is its clever design, which incorporates a folding mechanism that keeps all the tools neatly compacted when not in use. The design not only saves space but also ensures that the tools are easily accessible when needed. The tool's lightweight construction combined with its high functionality makes it an ideal companion for cyclists who need a reliable tool without adding bulk to their gear. The Crankbrothers Multitool 19 is also equipped with a magnetic bit holder, which enhances the ease of use and ensures that the bits remain securely in place during use. For those who value both design and functionality, this multi-tool offers a great balance between form and function. Next up, number 3 is the MatyKit Bicycle Multi-Tool Kit. This multi-tool kit stands out for its comprehensive set of tools, including 16 functions such as various hex wrenches, screwdrivers, and a chain breaker. The tools are constructed from high-quality chrome vanadium steel known for its strength and durability. This makes the MatyKit a reliable option for handling a variety of repairs and adjustments on the go. The MatyKit tool features a unique design with a foldable construction that keeps all tools securely stored and easily accessible. Its compact size and lightweight design make it easy to carry in a saddlebag or backpack, ensuring that you are always prepared for unexpected issues. Additionally, the ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, enhancing control and ease of use during repairs. Another notable feature of the MatyKit is its built-in tire levers, which are useful for quickly fixing flats without the need for extra tools. The inclusion of these levers, combined with the multi-tool's wide range of functions, make it a versatile and practical choice for any cyclists. At number 4, we have the Topeak Mini 9 Multi-Tool. This tool is renowned for its compact size and efficient design, making it a favorite among minimalist cyclists. Despite its small size, the Mini 9 includes 9 essential tools such as various hex wrenches, a Phillips screwdriver, and a chain breaker. The tools are crafted from durable steel, ensuring reliable performance during repairs. The Topeak Mini 9 features a unique folding design that keeps the tools neatly organized and easily accessible. Its compact and lightweight nature allows it to fit comfortably in a pocket or small saddlebag, making it perfect for long drives where space is limited. The tool's ergonomic design provides a comfortable grip, ensuring ease of use even in challenging conditions. One of the key advantages of the Topeak Mini 9 is its efficient use of space. Despite its small size, it provides all the essential tools needed for most on-the-go repairs. For cyclists who prioritize portability without sacrificing functionality, the Topeak Mini 9 is a highly practical choice. Number 5 on our list is the ROCKBROS Bike Repair Multi-Tool. This multi-tool is designed to offer a wide range of functions in a compact and durable package. It includes 11 tools such as various hex wrenches, a tire lever, a chain breaker, and a Phillips screwdriver. The ROCKBROS multi-tool is made from high-strength steel, ensuring long-lasting durability and reliability. The tool's compact design makes it easy to carry and store, fitting conveniently in a saddlebag or jersey pocket. The ROCKBROS multi-tool features an ergonomic handle that provides a comfortable grip, enhancing control and ease of use during repairs. The inclusion of a tire lever is particularly useful for quick fixes on the go. One of the standard features of the ROCKBROS multi-tool is its precision engineering, which ensures that all tools function smoothly and effectively. The tool's durable construction and compact size make it a great option for cyclists who need a reliable and versatile multi-tool for various repair needs. At number 6, we have the WOTOW Bike Repair Multi-Tool. This tool is known for its comprehensive range of functions and robust construction. It includes 16 different tools such as various X wrenches, screwdrivers, a chain breaker, and a bottle opener. The tools are made from high-quality stainless steel, ensuring durability and resistance to wear and tear. The WOTOW multi-tool features a foldable design that keeps all tools securely in place and easily accessible. Its compact size makes it easy to carry in a saddlebag or backpack, ensuring that you are always prepared for any issues that may arise during your ride. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, enhancing control and ease of use. Additionally, the WOTOW multi-tool's versatile range of functions make it suitable for a wide variety of repairs and adjustments. Whether you are dealing with a flat tire, a loose bolt, or any other issue, this tool offers the functionality needed to handle the job efficiently. Finally, we have the WIWUE Bike Repair Multi-Tool. This multi-tool is designed for cyclists who need a reliable and versatile tool for various repairs. It includes 12 tools such as hex wrenches, screwdrivers, and a chain breaker. The tools are made from high-strength steel, ensuring durability and long-lasting performance. This WIWUE multi-tool features a compact and lightweight design, making it easy to carry and store. Its ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, ensuring ease of use during repairs. The tool's foldable design keeps all tools neatly organized and accessible when needed. One of the notable features of the WIWUE multi-tool is its versatility. It offers a wide range of functions that cover most common repair needs, making it a practical choice for cyclists who want a reliable tool for on-the-go fixes. The durable construction and compact size make it an excellent addition to any cyclist's gear. And that wraps up our review of the top 7 bike multi-tools to enhance your riding experience. Each of these tools offers unique features to ensure you are prepared for any repair or adjustment on your ride. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more updates. Share your favorite bike multi-tools or any questions you have in the comments below. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.